back. You're watching the news. Now, after former principal of RG Kar Hospital, Sandeep Ghosh was granted bail after the CBI failed to submit charge sheet against them within the mandatory 90-day period in connection with the rape and murder of a junior doctor at the state-run hospital. Parents of RG Kar doctor who was raped and murdered have said that the CBI has failed them and questioned why after 90 days a charge sheet could not be filed, and went on to allege that the system had failed them. The victim's father said that because the government had died down, the allegations accused have been freed and appealed to the masses to resume the protest once more.
You can see that the West Bengal Junior Doctors Front, they have taken out a protest rally. This protest rally have started from Karunamai More in Salt Lake and they're heading towards the CGO complex. Remember, yesterday the court has granted bail of Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal, and also of OC Abhijit Mondal of Tala PS. Now, after both these bails were granted, we see that the doctors have hit the street once again. I'll ask my VJ to show you the crowd. You can see how the doctors have gathered in the street of Kolkata, protesting the entire incident. We have also seen that the victims' parents also came to this protest rally. They say that as long as they were in the street and they were protesting, the CBI was doing the investigation, the CBI was doing their job. But the moment they have left the street, that is the moment when CBI decides to not file the charge sheet even after a 90-day period, and bail has been granted. Remember, Sandeep Ghosh will continue to be in jail because he has been arrested twice by the CBI, once in the financial irregularities case, another time in the rape and murder case. Now, yesterday he has been granted bail in the rape and murder case, but because of the financial irregularities case, he will continue to be in jail. As far as the OC of Tala PS is concerned, he will walk out of jail. And look at the crowd over here. We haven't seen this movement in Kolkata in the last 1 month. The protest died down because remember, the doctors, they were on a health strike. There was a lot of controversy. There were meetings with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. And after Mamata Banerjee agreed to bring some reform in the health system, the protest died down because justice was promised to these protesters. But of course, we see there is anger in the crowd. And once again, they hit the street and they say staying in the street is the only way to assure justice is served.